We'll be using the pivot trend line with break indicator to trade breakouts after trend lines. After adding this indicator to the chart, we can make some adjustments to the settings for more precise trend lines and signals. To do so, change the pivot length to 27 and then disable repainting to prevent the indicator from redrawing. Next, in the style section, change the bearish breakout to above bar and the bullish breakout to below bar. Now, when the price closes above a pivot point trend line, a pivot trend line will get a signal to go long. And also, when a price closes below a pivot trend line, we'll get a signal to go short. This helps us enter the market right at the trend line breakout for a scalp trade. Note that I'm currently using Euro USD chart and a 5-minute time frame, but you can apply this strategy to trade in all financial markets, and you just need to adjust the indicator settings based on the currency pair and time frame you're analyzing. The concept remains the same, but keep in mind that we haven't used all the parts of the strategy yet. So now we're gonna add the SSL hybrid indicator to the chart to help refine the signals. We want to use only one of the indicators options, so in the style section, disable all options except MA baseline. Then change its color to green, red, and white respectively. Now head over to the input section and change baseline type to McGinley and baseline length to 100. Alright, now we've made all the necessary changes to this indicator. Now if the price is above the SSL hybrid and it's green, the market trend is upward and a buy trade is permitted, and vice versa. If the price is below SSL hybrid and it's red, a sell trade is permitted. For the next step, we'll need to use the SMIO indicator to remove fake signals as much as possible. So in the settings for this oscillator, change long length to 45. Next, we need to set the time frame for the SMIO oscillator. Since we're using a 5-minute time frame, I'm gonna choose a higher time frame for this oscillator. So choose the 15-minute time frame. Then in the style section, you can change the color of the indicator to better distinguish it and slightly increase the thickness for improved visibility. Now let's discuss how to enter trades in this strategy. To enter a long trade, these conditions must be met. First, a bullish breakout must occur, meaning a candle closes above a green trend line. Next, we need to confirm an upward trend. Since the price is above the SSL hybrid indicator, which is green, the trend is upward. Finally, the SMIO indicator must confirm the bullish breakout, and since the histogram is above zero level, the bullish breakout is confirmed. Now we can enter the trade at the close of the breakout candle. And immediately after entering the trade, place a stop loss below the recent swing low to minimize losses. And also exit the trade at the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And to enter a short trade, 3 conditions must align. First, the candle must close below a red trend line, indicating a bearish breakout. Next, we need confirmation of a downward trend. Since the price is below the red SSL hybrid indicator, the trend is downward. Finally, the SMIO oscillator histogram must be below zero level, confirming the bearish breakout. And when these 3 indicators give a coordinated short signal, enter the trade at the close of the breakout candle. Then place a stop loss above the recent swing high immediately after entering the position. This will limit any potential losses. Also take profits at the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And finally, if you're ready to take your scalping game to the next level and gain the consistency needed for long-term success, then watch this video.